Greetings, everyone. Happy Saturday night. Thank you, everyone, for joining me here today. This is your daily news report and fourth stimulus check update. The Internal Revenue Service and the Treasury has just sent out $15 billion in new stimulus payments to millions of Americans. House Democrats are criticizing their moderate colleagues for not wanting to advance their party's $3.5 trillion budget resolution. So everyone, the three winners of this week's Amazon gift card giveaway are Fernanda Santumbaga-Balan, Terry Flores, and Jeanette Molayan. Congratulations to all three of you. Remember, everyone, that next Friday I will be announcing three more winners of my gift card giveaway. To enter my giveaway, all you have to do is leave a comment below, subscribe to my channel, and also like this video. Thank you so much, everyone. House Squad Democrats hit back on Friday at their moderate colleagues, and this is after 9 of them said they would not vote to advance their party's $3.5 trillion budget resolution until the bipartisan infrastructure bill is signed into law. Democratic Representative Rashida Tlaib said, "You are not a moderate Democrat if you vote against jobs with a livable wage, paid leave, childcare, health care, and a livable planet for American families." The letter from the moderates Friday followed a similar one earlier this week from members of the House of Progressives caucus, but with an opposite demand. The progressives stated that they would not vote for the infrastructure bill until the Senate produces a reconciliation bill. House Speaker Nancy Pelosi has taken that same stance. In the letter, the group of 9 moderate Democrats stated, "Some have suggested that we hold off on considering the Senate infrastructure bill for months until the reconciliation process is completed. We disagree. With the livelihoods of hardworking American families at stake, we simply cannot afford months of unnecessary delays and risk of squandering this once-in-a-century bipartisan infrastructure package." The same group added, "We will not consider voting for a budget resolution until the Bipartisan Infrastructure Investment and Jobs Act passes the House and is signed into law."
So there's another ideal that you make real in the everyday lives of the American family, the American household, the American people. And that ideal is the freedom to vote. This is a nonpartisan organization, and this issue should be a nonpartisan issue. Because voting is not about one party. It is about our entire democracy, a democracy which must be grounded in a representative government. And in fact, protecting the right to vote is about as American as apple pie. We know this, we live this. County leaders are the backbone of our elections. County leaders, you oversee polling locations at senior centers and elementary schools and churches. County leaders hire and train and employ election workers. Every election, you work hard to ensure the people you serve can cast their ballot no matter who they vote for.
A senior Democratic aide, meanwhile, told Fox News that the 9 moderates' demand is unrealistic because too many Democrats oppose moving forward with infrastructure before the Senate produces a reconciliation bill. So everyone, what are your thoughts about this? Please leave your thoughts in the comments section below. The Labor Department has published the United States Jobs Report for the month of July, showing the fastest rate of hiring increase in over a year. The figure shows that American employers added nearly 945,000 jobs, while the unemployment rate dropped from 5.9% to 5.4%. Another 1 million out-of-work Americans reported that they had found a new job in July, nearly quadrupling the number who did so during the month of June. Concerned with the moderate gains made in the jobs market in recent months, 26 U.S. states had opted to withdraw from the additional unemployment programs, which was funded by the federal government. However, some of them had their decisions reversed by state judges. The July jobs report exceeded forecasters' expectations, having predicted around 860,000 new jobs would be created. The hospitality sector was once again the biggest beneficiary, with Americans more comfortable traveling around and states loosening their restrictions. Hotels and restaurants added nearly 330,000 jobs last month. Experts have offered various explanations for the unemployment decrease, many of which are to do with typical fluctuations in certain industries that are observed every year. Unemployed workers in the state of Missouri are suing their governor for ending federal unemployment programs early, becoming part of a movement that has cropped up in 10 other states, where similar lawsuits have met mixed success. The latest lawsuit comes as lawsuits in the states of Arkansas, Indiana, Maryland, and Oklahoma have been successful, and in some cases, at least temporarily, while those in Louisiana, Ohio, and West Virginia have been denied by the judges. The Internal Revenue Service said more households got a monthly payment of the child tax credit in August, reaching an additional 1.6 million kids relative to July. The Internal Revenue Service dispersed $15 billion to families in the second round of payments. This was issued Friday to many households with about 61 million total children. The federal government began sending these funds on July 15th, up to $250 or $300 a month per child, depending on their age. Families can visit the Child Tax Credit Update portal to see if they are receiving a direct deposit or paper check in August. The monthly payments are in advance on half the portion of a family's annual child tax credit. Households can opt out of receiving monthly payments and instead get the full credit during the 2022 tax season. There are many reasons more families are getting a monthly payment in August than in the month of July, which is great news. So everyone, thank you for joining me here tonight. That's the end of the video. I greatly appreciate you guys being here with me today. Next Friday, I will be announcing 3 more winners of my Amazon gift card giveaway. Please enter the giveaway. All you have to do is subscribe to my channel, like this video, and also leave a comment below. Thank you so much, everyone, and have a very blessed weekend.